Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Archana here, and I hope you guys are doing good. So I'm back with another mixed media project for you all, and this will be very simple and easy project. So for the base here, I have taken the MDF piece, and a few days back I have taken out the Buddha casting using paper clay, but somehow the head part and the neck part got broken. So I just thought I really don't wanted to waste this piece, so I just thought why not to create something rustic look or something like that. So yeah, that's what the plan was when I started creating this project. So since there was a hollow portion behind this Buddha casting, so I have filled that portion using paper clay, and I'm also adding paper clay on my background with the help of heavy gel medium. So basically my concept was that this Buddha head is coming out from the crackled or concrete wall. And as you can see here, I'm not smoothing out this paper clay because I want that uneven texture to be seen in this project. So as I said earlier, when once my paper clay texture dried completely, I got very nice uneven and crackle effect on this paper clay texture. So I just went ahead just to enhance these cracks more. So I have added crackle texture paste using palette knife here and there. To make this project more interesting, I have added a sand paste. This paste have nice chunky coarse granules in it, and it gives very beautiful concrete look to the project. And as you can see, I have used two types of sand paste here, and these both paste have different kind of granules in it. So there are few types of sand paste available in the market, and in that some have very big chunky coarse granules in it, whereas some have fine granules in it. So you can choose this kind of a paste accordingly. Now that everything was dried completely, I have applied black gesso to prime the project. And to apply this black gesso, I have used hard bristle brush so that it will go into all that textural part, and we will get complete coverage of this black gesso. And this process will also make our project ready to accept other mediums over it. So that now our priming is done, and this layer of black gesso has dried completely. So to color my project, I have choose chalk paints, and I took out a darker shade first and applied this chalk paint using sponge dauber. So this way you will get beautiful vibrant color on the project. And here I have used Emix chalk paint. So these chalk paints are basically from Expressions Craft. I just love the vibrancy of this chalk paint, and they are very smooth to apply. And on the project, to get that blended look as well as shading and highlighting, I have first applied darker chalk pen shade, and then I have applied lighter shade, so this way you will get beautiful shading and highlighting at the same time. So to finish this project, I have added silver wax using finger, and this is how I have created this project. I hope you guys have enjoyed this process. If you're on Instagram or Facebook, join me over there, as well as most of the time I plan live session over there. So yeah, I will be back with another project soon. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy creating.